Welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling a problem that makes homeowners shudder: foundation issues. You know, a solid foundation is the backbone of your home, and ignoring problems can lead to a whole mess of trouble down the line. But don't you worry, we're about to show you a quick and effective way to fix those minor foundation cracks and keep your home standing strong. We're talking about the 5-minute foundation fix, and trust me, it's a game changer. Stay tuned! Let's be clear, your home's foundation isn't something to take lightly. It's the very base that supports everything above it. Think of it like the foundation of your life. You need a strong one to build upon. A solid foundation prevents those dreaded cracks, shifting and settling that can wreak havoc on your walls, floors, and your peace of mind. Ignoring even small cracks can lead to major structural damage down the road, costing you a fortune in repairs. That's why we're here to empower you to tackle those minor issues head-on with the 5-minute foundation fix. Now let's talk solutions. The 5-minute foundation fix is a DIYer's dream come true. It's designed to tackle those hairline cracks and minor imperfections before they turn into major headaches. We're talking about a specially formulated solution that bonds like crazy to concrete, filling in those gaps and creating a water-resistant seal. Best of all, it's incredibly easy to use, no fancy tools or years of construction experience required. If you can squeeze a tube, you can handle this. Alright, let's break this down into simple steps. First things first, you need to identify the problem areas. Put on your detective hat and carefully inspect your foundation for any cracks, gaps, or crumbling sections. Once you've found your target, it's time to clean the surface. Use a wire brush and a little elbow grease to remove any loose debris, dirt, or old caulk. A clean surface ensures that the 5-minute foundation fix can bond properly. Now grab your tube of foundation fix and carefully apply it to the crack, making sure to fill it completely. Don't be shy with the product. You want a good solid seal. Next, use a putty knife or your finger to smooth out the surface and remove any excess product.